Hi, I'm Victoria.
I'm Sarah.
And today we're going to talk about how to approach a showing effectively as a buyer.
The first thing you want to do, of course, is just see how it feels when you walk into a home. Oftentimes, you'll be able to get a sense of the energy of the space within the first few seconds of stepping through the front door.
Another thing that's really important is understanding the layout and the floor plan. When you're in a new space for the first time, and often maybe the only time before you're going to write an offer, it can be very confusing and easy to forget how areas flow. So always start at the front door. Work your way through the house, re-anchoring yourself back to that front door so that your brain can visualize and remember how rooms flow from one another. Then, if you're someone who, for example, is always going to park in the garage, and that's going to be your main entrance into the house, walk through the same process through the garage and how you would then be entering your house on a day-to-day basis. Again, that's going to be the best way to make sure that you accurately remember how rooms flow around the home.
The next thing to do, of course, is think about where you're going to be spending the most amount of time. Are you somebody who hangs out in the kitchen and your friends come over and gather around the island? Or maybe, your kids are going to be in the backyard and you want to make sure you can see them from the kitchen or your office or family room. Think about all those spaces to make sure that it's really going to actually fit for your lifestyle.
Yeah, while it is really amazing to see a home that's beautifully laid out and staged, that may not be realistic for your day-to-day life. And as much as a home can inspire you to live a slightly different lifestyle, 90% of the time, you're going to retain your same habits. So making sure that you have the space in the house for all the things that you currently own is really important. If you have a gym, where is that going to go? If you have a home office, where is that going to go? Your bedroom, your living room, all that furniture, if you're planning on keeping that furniture, make sure it's going to fit in that space. How will it interact? Actually do the exercise of walking through the different rooms and imagining yourself already in there.
Same goes for even storage areas, right? Do you have closet space for all of your linens, maybe holiday decorations, bikes, surfboards, all of the different activities that you do and storage needs that you have? Make sure you can find a place for that, or know if you're willing to take over garage or attic space, things like that.
Spend time in the neighborhood. Walk up and down the street. Try to go there at different times of day. We've even had clients sit outside in their cars for just 30 minutes and just observing the neighbors and getting the vibe of what's happening. That also is going to give you an energy and feel that you wouldn't just normally see walking through a house, which is really, really important.
Envision yourself going to the local coffee shops, grocery stores, running errands in this new town or neighborhood that you're looking in, again, to make sure that's really going to be a good fit for you and your lifestyle.
If you do see neighbors on the street, I always think it's fun to just do a quick hello and ask them how long they've lived there, how much they love it, what their favorite part is. You'll get good energy from that as well.
Remember, it's not so much about buying a house of just 4 walls and, a certain amount of bedrooms and bathrooms. It's really about purchasing a lifestyle and moving into this life that you're going to create for yourself. That's what you want to be thinking about when you're looking at homes.
As agents, we're always going to guide you through this process when we're at showings with you, but it's a great reminder to be intentional about the time you spend in a home when you're out there shopping.
Call or reach out anytime, and we'll see you soon.